Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and it's another week again. And last time I told you that I talked to the contractor personally to visit my house for the to check the repairs. And Monday comes, she didn't do the visit. We was waiting. I tried to call her, and Ate Rhea tried to call her also. She's not answering the phone. And then I let her pass the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to give her time, and then Friday I tried to call her again, and that's good. She answered the phone, and then that day she went here on my house to check the repairs. And then and Friday they also started to do the repairs, so she sent a worker here to do the repairs. So I will show you the repairs that they already started. So guys, this is the clean out. So the clean out was here. So they dig this part, and then they moved it on the under the kitchen counter, and then they put the cement there, and then the leak here on the CR, the repairman did this because there was a leak on that side. Every time I switch on the water, you will see the leak there, and that's why my flooring gets flooded. And then the repairman also did this, so I have to buy this one because the old one is not working. This is the old one, guys. So PMO is not giving a new one because they already gave the accessories, and that's it. So there's no changing of items or stuff. So I have to buy this, and it costs 100 pesos to buy this. And then by now there's no by now I can see a leak. I tried it. There's no more leak, and then so that's good for that. And then the clean out, and then and also the worker put epoxy because there's a leak also here, so he put an epoxy. And then the worker staff are still there, like the cement, the shovel, tiles, and that cement, because they have something else to do here. So on this on my second floor, they put a switch now here. So last time there is no switch, by now there is now. So that's my bulb. So when I turn it on, saan ba to? have a light now on my second floor, and the last thing they need to do is the wall. So they need to put another hollow blocks on that. Because it's a big gap to see. So that's the only thing they need to fix on my house. Then it's done. So that's good. So I will stay here on my house until they will done all the works. And I have a plan to sleep here on my house now. So guys, it's a bedtime now. I have a fan and a blanket. Mambels. I borrowed this fan to Mabel. So I'm gonna sleep here on my house. I have here a mat where I can sleep. There's the mat, guys. So this is where I am going to sleep. My bags are here also. I have nothing here, so just a blanket and a mat to sleep, and a small fan. So it's a sleeping time, guys. My small pan is working. So it's time to sleep na, guys. Good night. Hello guys, good morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and I need to wake up now to get up and because at 8 the worker will come to do the repair. So I need to fix my mat. I'm gonna fold it, guys. So I need to get up, take coffee, and wait on the worker. here's my things. It's on the side. So see you later, guys. I need to get a coffee and breakfast. See you later. So guys, by now I am here at agency trying to find a job. It was not a plan to apply because my thing is to go here for my house to check the worker that they do the repairs. I am tired waiting up there. I've been waiting them for 2 days. After they started the work, they still not coming back and continue the work. So instead of waiting on them and being stressful on waiting, so I am taking this chance to apply for a job because I have a job, but it's only one day work schedule. So I am trying to find a good one, and I am with Grace today. So she is there on the other side, filling the form to be fast on the agency. And I don't have anything here because it's not really a plan to apply, but good that I have a resume saved on my phone, and I print it out. So here's the form. So we're just 2 of us are here. So I'll be back with you guys. I will just finish this form to be fast on the agency. So guys, I am home now, and I had a very busy day yesterday, and that was the last day I stayed in on my house. And also instead of waiting on the contractor and she is not responding on me, I took the chance to come with Grace, and I had no any requirements with me because it's not really a plan to come with her. And but then we tried to come in 3 different places to apply, and then on the first one that I had a video, that's an agency. It's holding a lot of company around Bulacan, and the second one, it's a company. It's a company that they will once they are hiring, they will move you on an agency. So agency is the one who will contact you for the hiring, for the need, for the people that they need. And then on the third one, it's an agency. We took an exam there, and since we don't have any requirements, we told to the agency staff that our requirements is to be followed. So she gave us a list of requirements a list of requirements that we need to complete. So I almost have everything. I just need to take a new police clearance and barangay clearance and cedula. So barangay clearance and cedula should be the address is in Bulacan. So we will take it there. So once we get back, we will take barangay clearance there and cedula. Then after that, we will come straight to the agency. So after we went on that 3 different places, I just ate a bit with Grace, and then I took my things, and I already packed it before we leave on applying. And then when I got home, I just took it and get home straight because it's very late afternoon, and I really need to get home because on the next day I have I really want to get home because I don't have nothing to wait there because contractor is not responding. So now I have to do here, I need to get a police clearance. So that's what I had on this trip. So that's all, guys, and I hope you like our video, you keep liking our videos, and please don't forget to subscribe. So thank you for watching.